There was no garbage anywhere around my house. I didn't find a single nail, a single shingle. Having a nice yard and things clean, especially with kids, is really important. So I would definitely work with Legacy Roofing again. They were prompt. The sales rep, Adrian, was awesome. Explained all the different options, as well as they are about quality and not just about price. As an insurance agent, I value a quality roof and making sure that my home is protected. So when he said that they would do the best quality with a long life of a shingle, that's what I wanted. So I recommend Legacy Roofing to almost everyone I know, whether it's a neighbor or a client of mine. If they need a new roof, I have recommended them before, given them referrals before, and will continue to do with all my clients and all my neighbors to make sure that they get the best value and the best product.